Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hastrekha Palm Reading. I am Gitika, host of this channel. Today in this particular video, I will explain about the signs of very good communication skills. Alright, so let's get started. So whenever we talk about the communication skills, one planet is taken into consideration and that is the Mercury. Okay, so here in this palm you can see this little finger is known as the Mercury finger. Alright, so now we will move towards the first indication. So you can see that the first indication is that you should have a long Mercury finger. Alright, now when you keep your finger close to this little finger and you see that it is rising above this knot, okay, it is going above this knot, it means that you have a long Mercury finger. Alright, this is the first thing. And the second thing is you should have this particular area is known as the Mercury mount, and this area should be prominent, or I wanted to say that this Mercury mount should be prominent. Prominent means it should be covering a large area. You can see in some of the palms that finger starts from here, so this area gets a very smaller. All right, so basically you should have a large area and it should be coming out of the palm, or I want to say that it should be bulging out of the palm. All right, and it should have a pinkish tinge. It should not be overly bulging out of the palm. All right, as it shows the shrewdness and dishonesty. This bulge should be in the moderation. It should not be flat, not be overdeveloped. Okay, it should be in moderation. All right, now along with that, if this mount has some positive markings like this or this, okay, it these signs enhances the Mercurian qualities. All right, and the Mercurian qualities are communication skills and the business acumen. All right, so I'm going to repeat it again. The three things which are responsible for good communication skills is a long Mercury finger, and it should be straight, it should not be crooked or moving here and there. All right, second thing, a good Mercury mount. Third thing, the positive markings over it. All right, these three things are required if you want good communication skills in you. All right, and if on this mount, if you have some bad markings, like if you have a mole here, it shows that the person has some problem in communication. All right, and if a person has a net structure here, it also shows confusion. And if the person has a cross here, it shows some problem in nervous system or some problem related to hearing. And if the person has a circle here, it shows some problem in fertility. And along with that, we should also see a Venus mount. All right, so this was all regarding this particular video. If you have any queries, you can reach me up on my Facebook page or on my Instagram account. Link is given below in the description, or you can mail me on hastrekhapalmist@gmail.com. Bye bye. I hope you like this particular video. Thank you.